Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share the best VS Code extensions in 2025 that can boost your productivity, improve your coding workflow, and make your projects much easier to manage. Let's jump right in. First extension is GitHub Copilot. This is an AI-powered coding assistant that suggests entire lines or blocks of code as you type. It's like having a smart partner that helps you write faster and avoid repetitive tasks. Next is Islint. If you're working with JavaScript or TypeScript, Islint is essential. It automatically detects errors, enforces consistent code style, and can even fix many issues with just one command. Number 3, Prettier. This is a code formatter that makes sure your code looks neat and consistent every time you save. No more arguments over spaces versus tabs. Prettier handles it all for you. Coming up next, Git Lens. This extension gives you deep Git integration right inside VS Code. You can see who last edited a line of code, view commit history, and understand project changes with ease. Number 5, we have Live Server. For web developers, this is a must. It launches a local server with real-time reload, so every time you save your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, the browser updates instantly. Next is Path IntelliSense. It helps you auto-complete file paths while importing modules or assets. This saves you from typing long directories and reduces mistakes. Number 7, Auto Rename Tag. If you work with HTML or JSX, this is a lifesaver. Whenever you rename an opening tag, the closing tag is automatically updated. No more broken code. Coming in at number 8 is the Docker extension. If you're working with containers, this extension lets you manage Docker images, containers, and registries right inside VS Code. You don't have to jump into the terminal, it's all in one place. Number 9, Material Icon Theme. This extension changes the default file icons to a modern, colorful set that makes your workspace much easier to navigate. You'll instantly recognize file types just by looking at the icons. And finally, number 10, Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. If you're using Tailwind CSS, this extension adds class name suggestions, autocomplete, and error checking. It makes styling your projects with Tailwind fast and efficient. And that's it. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for